Hi, everybody. It's the mad scientist. I snuck into the library and I'm going to show you how to make something and what I'm going to do with that something because I didn't have it. So I had to make it because I didn't have time to buy it because mad scientists are so busy. So we are going to make clay for our project. Did you know that air is matter? Yeah, it is. There's nothing wrong with the air. Like, that's not the matter. The matter means it has like atoms and stuff, you know, it takes up space. Yes, that is what it is. So, air actually takes up space. I'm gonna prove it to you in case you don't believe me. You're gonna think it's magic. And science is magic. That's what I keep saying to everybody. So, let's get started. They say that this clay to like knead it and stuff takes about 10 minutes. So I'm going to pause my video and then after the 10 minutes, I'm going to play my video. You won't see the pause. You'll think it's one long video and you'll be like, what? I thought they said it would be 10 minutes. And it is 10 minutes, okay? You listen to me, okay, Linda? So I'm going to put the phone here. And maybe it won't fall and you can see me. Ha! Excellent. Okay, so to make the clay, you need flour, salt, and warm water. Okay? It's kind of cold a little bit now. Anyway, so the recipe gave me like a lot of clay, but I don't want a lot of clay. So, oh no, I need a mixing bowl. Just give me 1 second. Oh, here it is. Poof, magic. So, what we are going to do first, I'm not going to use the full recipe. So I'm going to get 1 cup of flour instead of 4. It's a big recipe. And I don't have measuring cup today, so I'm using grandpa cup. Okay? So 1 cup. And you guys can definitely ask your parents to help you if you need help, okay? Because it's okay to ask for help. Poof! Okay. I should have brought a spoon too, huh? All right. I think I have 1 cup of flour right here. There. It's tippy top full. Tippy top. All right. And then we will need a 1/4 cup salt. I think I measured this about right at my house before I rushed over to the library. So we will see. Okay. 1/4 cup. I'm going to say that's yes. That is correct. 1/4 cup. All right. And now we need 0.4375 cup warm water. I know, that's pretty tricky, right? But just think of it as a little bit more than 1/4 and a little bit less than half a cup, okay? So I'm going to grab my warm water here. That is warm, yes. Okay, let's see if I can do this, eh? 0.43, so a little bit less than half. Okay, I'm going to do this much. And we will see how it goes. The website that I got this recipe off of said it was supposed to be kind of, or you would think that you would need more water, but you don't need more water because this is a good amount, okay? So I'm just going to mix. I don't have a spoon because the website said that they mixed with the spoon and then I guess it didn't work out so nice, so then they mixed with their hands. So I just skipped that part. Unless you want to use spoon so you don't get so dirty like me. But this is the fun part. Like, who doesn't want to play with, clay, So they said this had to mix about 10 minutes. That's a long time. So what I'm going to do is pause the video. You're going to pretend like I didn't pause the video, or that's what you're going to see. And then I will be back. And it'll be like I never left. Okay? So I'm just going to mix here. After I have my clay, I'm going to show you how air is matter. Okay, dokie. So, see you back in 10 minutes. There, I'm back. And I was only gone for 2 minutes. This is what my clay looks like. It's still kind of soft. I did add a little bit more water because there was too many crumbs on the bottom of the bowl. So I added a little bit more water. As you can see, this is what my clay looks like. And I do have food coloring. If you want to add some colors, I have some food coloring. But the food coloring was not for the clay. It was for the water, for my matter experiment. Yes, I think my clay is wonder good. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the clay. So this is a quarter of the recipe. I'm going to post the full recipe and then I will let you guys decide what you want to do. Okay? Okay. So for the matter experiment, I need a bottle. Any bottle works, like any bottle. You know, any bottle. Okay, so bottle. Then I have a funnel and some food coloring and some water. Oh, that's a little warm. Oh, that's my new one. I'll put it in my new one. So the reason why I want to put food coloring in my water is so that you guys can see it clearly when it goes into the bottle. So I'm going to do blue because blue is beautiful and I love blue. All right, I'll just put some drops in there. So what I'm going to ask you right now is, when I put my clay and my funnel here and start pouring in the water, will all the water run into the bottle or will it get stuck in the funnel and not go into the bottle? That's my question for you. Now, you need to make your hypothesis. So the reason why we wanted the clay is because we need to make sure that there's no air from the funnel to the bottle. We need it completely sealed off. Okay, so we're going to put the clay around the funnel like so. All right, we want no spaces. Oh, now I have the bottle. I guess the bottle is a little bit smaller than the one that they had on the website, on the internet. But anyway, it's completely sealed off, I hope. I guess we will find out. And I'm going to show you what will happen now, okay? I'll just take off the plastic so that you can see what is happening. If you do pour the water in slowly, all the water will run in. That is correct. But when you pour in the water quickly, that is a different story. I'm going to use this to catch the water if it spills. Okay? Okay, let's test it out. So the trick is to pour quickly. Okay, look at that. Ha! Amazing, right? Some water did go into the bottle because of air and everything, but it seems to be okay. And the reason why I think it is leaking is because the clay is not 100%. Because if the clay was 100%, there will be no leaking. And now you can see that air is matter. Air takes up space. It's just, yeah, science. Pretty cool, hey? Well, I'm glad you liked my video. I know you did because Mad Scientist is amazing, okay? So, thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!